Okay, so we'll go to the next third chapter, that is ordinary differential equation. Okay, so for ordinary differential equation, first one, what do you mean by differential equation? An equation involving the derivatives of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called a differential equation. That we have seen. Okay, so we have seen the order and the degree of the differential equation. I did a separate lecture on the order and differential equation, order and degree of the differential equation. So you have to listen that lecture also. So to attempt your competitive, what is the degree of the differential equation and order of the differential equation. So what is the degree of the order of the differential equation? Which what? The highest order derivative. So here what the highest order derivative is dy by dx. That means the higher order derivative is 1. So order of this differential equation, all differential equation here is 1. Okay. So that is what I have prepared a separate lecture on the order and the degree of the differential equation. Just see that. Okay, so I have taken the examples on the order and the degree of the differential equation. Separate lecture of the 15 or 18 minutes is there. Just you do this. Okay, so for the degree and the order of the differential equation. Now the general solution is what? A solution which satisfies the differential equation. Okay, so that is called a solution. But what do you mean by general solution? In a solution, the number of arbitrary constant is same as the order of the differential equation. That means if your differential equation is order 1, so in the general solution is what? If a solution contains only one arbitrary constant, then that that will be the general solution for order. Okay. So if your order is 2, if the order of the differential equation is 2, then there are 2 arbitrary constants in the solution. If order of the differential equation is 3, then there are 3 arbitrary constants in the general solution. Okay. So general solution means what? The number of arbitrary constants is same as the order of the differential equation. Okay. So and a particular solution means what? Suppose this is what y is equal to c1x plus c2 x square plus c2x plus c3. This is the solution of a differential equation of order 3. So there are 3 arbitrary constants. Okay. So that means this is the general solution of a differential equation of order 3. Suppose. Okay. So we are not interested in the order 3 now. We are interested only in the order 1. So everywhere your general solution contains only one arbitrary constant. Okay. So now suppose this is the general solution now. Okay. So to assign the proper values to the C1, C2, C3, that means a solution which is obtained from the general solution by assigning the particular value to the arbitrary constant. That is called a particular solution. That means what? You have to find the values of some initial conditions are provided to you, and if you got the values of C1, C2, suppose this is what 2x square plus 3x plus 4, suppose these are the particular values of C1, C2, C3. So under some conditions, okay. So then this is called a particular solution of a differential equation. That means this is a solution obtained from the general solution. Okay. So you are also familiar with this one. Okay. So now, if you want to attempt problems of the particular solutions in the competitive exam, suppose. So suppose y of 0 is equal to 1, suppose. Y of 0 is equal to 1, suppose. Okay. So there you have 4 options. You have the 4 options. I have to choose a particular option. So what I do? In which if you put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, which equation satisfies this one? If there are 2 solutions satisfy this one, then you have to find a solution of the general solution or just a solution of the differential equation. Okay. So general solution of a differential equation you want. Okay. So suppose differential equation is given and if this condition is there, y0 is equal to 1. So just check first. First you have to check what? Put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Which equation satisfy for x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Okay. So that will be your solution from this one. Okay. If such type of the problem is there, then you do this. Okay. So put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Okay. So if I think there will be only one question, only one option will be there. Okay. So which satisfies your particular condition, your initial condition. Okay. So now linear differential equation. So what do you mean by linear differential equation? A differential equation of the form okay, dy by dx, some function of x into y is equal to function of only x. Okay, so this p of x and q of x are a function of only x. Such type of the differential equation is called a linear differential equation. Okay, so see that there is no product of y and dy by dx. There is no power of y also. Power of y is only 1 here. Okay, whatever the p of x and q of x is, that doesn't matter. It may be sin x, it may be e raised to x, it may be log x, it may be x cube, it may be x plus 1 upon x cube, something like this. This is the only restriction is what it should be the function of x only. Okay, now we see these are the examples of the differential equations. Okay, so we have to identify whether it is a linear differential equation or not. Okay, so just we have to see this x square is there, differential equation, but you can shift this x square. This is reducible now. This is y only here. There is no product of y and dy by x. There is only one y. You can shift x square here. 3 upon x square y is equal to 1 then. This I can write this is what dy by dx plus 3 upon x square y is equal to 1. Okay. So this is a function of x. This is a constant. This is also a function of x. So dy by dx plus p of x times y is equal to q of x. So that means this is a linear differential equation. This is reducible to linear differential equation. Okay. You can reduce it to the linear differential equation. Actually, this is linear differential equation. Okay, so now this is what, see y is here, only one y is here. This if you shift x to x here, so then what, if you divide by x, then it will be a linear differential. This is a linear differential equation. See y is here, only one y. This is ln x, no problem for ln x in this. If you shift x is here, this is 0, the constant or 0, it is a function of x now. Okay, so this is a linear differential equation. This x square y, then you can shift x square y to this side. So this is what dy by x minus x square y is equal to minus 2. So this is also a linear differential equation. So this is what cot x into y is equal to sin x. Okay, so y is there, now the product of y dy by x, degree of y is 1. This is a linear differential. Now see here y square is there, y square, and this is dy by x. Okay, so that means what, this is not linear differential equation. Now see here, there is a product of y and dy by x. There is a product of y and dy by x. So this is not a linear differential equation. Now this xy, I can shift xy to this side. So this will be the linear differential equation. Now see, this is e raised to y. This is e raised to y. Sin y, cos y, something like this. So it will not a linear differential. Only single y should be there. Okay. So that is it. Okay? If sin y, cos y, something like this, e raised to y, log y, something, it will not a linear differential equation. So this is xy here only. This is sin x. So this is a linear differential equation. Here I can shift xy to this side, so it will be a linear differential equation. Here there is only one y and all the functions of x. This is a standard form. Now this is y square then. This is y square. So this is not a linear differential equation. Again this is y square. This is not a linear differential equation. Here there is a product of y and dy by x. This is not a linear differential equation. This is e raised to y. This is not a linear differential equation. Okay. Oh. So both are the same now here. Okay. Okay, this equation and this equation match. Okay. Only what here, e raised to xy is this side, and here what, e raised to xy that side. Doesn't matter for this one. So I hope that you understand. You can identify the linear differential equation, whether it is linear differential equation or not. Okay. Now this is dy by dx plus py is equal to q, suppose. Okay, so this is non-homogeneous. This is what, non-homogeneous linear differential equation. So if you put q is equal to 0, q is equal to 0, then this is what, homogeneous linear differential equation. Homogeneous linear differential equation. Okay, and this is called a complement. This is suppose what, dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Yes, this is called a complementary differential equation. This is called complementary equation of the homogeneous equation. This is what, complementary equation. This is called complementary equation of equation 1. So suppose this is equation 1. That means what? You have to make this is homogeneous. This is non-homogeneous differential. You have to make this is homogeneous differential equation. Only I have to assume that q is equal to 0. And what is the solution of this? This is what solution of this differential equation is called a general solution of the complementary equation. Okay, so we will do some problems on it. Okay, suppose we have to solve this. We take some problem. Okay, suppose dy by dx means y prime. Okay, dy by dx minus ay is equal to 0. How we can write this dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to ay. I can write this ay. Okay, so now I can shift y to this side. Okay, so this is what y dy is equal to a dx now. Oh, 1 by y. This is what 1 by y. So this is what then log y log y is equal to x plus c now. X plus c. So now if you want to remove this y, this is what e raised to x plus c. Okay, I will write this is c1 then. So this is what then e raised to c1, e raised to c1, e raised to x. I can write e raised to c1 as c now because this is what arbitrary constant. So I will write this. Okay, so y is equal to c, e raised to x is the solution of this differential equation. Okay, so that means this is the what this is the no problem. This is a variable separable form here. Okay, suppose you have this equation x y prime plus y is equal to 0. So what here this dy means what? This x dy by dx. Okay, this is dy by dx plus y is equal to plus y is equal to 0. Okay, so I can write this x dy plus y, or just I will write this what x dy by dx is equal to minus y. This is very simple now. This is very simple. Okay, I can write this is what minus y, and then I can shift this dx here. Dy is equal to minus y dx now. But this is the function of y now. I will separate this. This is what 1 by y dy is equal to minus 1 by x dx. So this is what log y plus log x plus log c is equal to log c. I can take is equal to log c. Okay, so this is what xy is equal to c. Xy is equal to c, or log x plus log y is equal to some c. Okay, log c is not there or there, doesn't matter for this. Log c you can take c now here. Okay, okay, this is also a solution, but log x plus log y is equal to c. This is also a solution. You can add arbitrary constant anywhere now. Okay, so dy by dx, suppose dy by dx plus cos x is equal to 0. Okay, I can shift this is what just dx there. This is what dy plus cos x dx is equal to 0. I can just multiply by dx here because this is a function of x only. Okay, now I will integrate this. This is what then y. What is the integration of cos plus sin? X is equal to c. This is the solution. Okay, very simple now. Okay, suppose you have this equation dy by dx minus twice y is equal to 0. Okay, you can shift this dy twice y there. So this is what dy by dx is equal to twice y. So I can shift y here. Okay, so 1 by y dy is equal to twice dx. Okay, and I will integrate this is what log y is equal to twice x plus c. Twice x plus c. Then y is equal to what? Y is equal to c e raised to twice x will be the solution. I will call this as c1 now. Then this will be c e raised to c1 now. Okay, so what is this y actually? E raised to twice x plus c1. But I can write this as what? E raised to twice x into e raised to c1. But e raised to c1 I can write c. So this is e raised to twice x. Okay, so the solution of this equation is what? Y is equal to c e raised to twice x. Okay, now suppose we have the differential equation twice y plus x cube twice y is equal to x cube e raised to minus twice x. Suppose this. Okay, so you want to find a general solution of complementary equation complementary equation. Okay, so what you want? General solution of the complementary equation of this differential equation. So the complementary equation is what? Y prime plus twice y is equal to 0. Just we have solved this. This is what? Y prime is equal to minus twice y. I can shift this. Y prime is what? Dy by dx. So this is 1 by y, dy is twice dx. So this is what? Log y. This is minus. Okay, log y is equal to minus twice x plus c. Plus c were on this. So y is equal to what? C into e raised to minus twice x. This is the general solution of the complementary equation of this. So don't take tension of this x cube this. You don't want this what? This is what? This is given to you. X cube e raised to minus. So it will look like as a complicated, very complicated. It will look like this. Okay, but they want what? The general solution of the complementary equation. So that means we have to assume that this is 0. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay. Okay, so complementary general solution of the complementary equation we get. Okay, we'll do one more problem on it. Okay, so there are many problems so we have to solve for this one. Okay, suppose we have this equation x y prime plus log x y is equal to 0. Okay, so I'll write this is what x dy by dx is equal to minus log x y. Okay, so I'll shift y here, I will shift here. So this is what dy 1 by y dy is equal to minus log x upon x dx. Minus log x upon x dx. Okay, so now we will integrate. This is what log y. Log y. So see, derivative of log y, derivative of log x is this. Derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. So if this is what? F of x into f dash x, f of x into f dash x dash, then integration is what? F of x bracket square upon 2. The integration will be what? F of x bracket square upon 2. So this is what? Minus log x bracket square upon 2 plus c. This will be your solution. This will be your solution. Okay. You may take this is e raised to something if you want. Okay. You can do this one. Now this is not simplified. Log of x bracket square is not simplified. You cannot say anything about log of x bracket square. This is log x into log x, but there is no formula for log a into log b. Okay. There is a formula for log a into b, log a upon b. Okay. So if you want to write in terms of e, so this will what then e raised to minus c e raised to minus log of x bracket square upon 2. If you don't want that log y, then your solution is like this. Okay. Suppose we have this equation y prime plus x plus 1 upon x y is equal to 0. Suppose this. Okay. So how we can write this is what y prime is dy by dx. See, this is y there. You can shift this y here. This is dy. Okay. Plus x plus 1 upon x dx is equal to 0. So this is what then log y. Log y plus. So I can separate this integration of this what. We have to integrate this. So this is 1 plus 1 upon x dx is equal to c. Integration of 0 is c. So this is what log y is equal to plus integration of 1 is x plus log x is equal to c. This will be your solution. Okay. So if you want this is what you can write log of x. This is what then c minus x minus log y. Then you can write this is what y is equal to c e raised to minus x minus log y. Log x. Okay. So this is log x. Okay. So this is also c1 e raised to minus x e raised to minus log x. But e raised to minus log x is 1 upon x. So c upon x e raised to minus x. This is also a solution. But they will not ask up to this. Just within a simple step, log y plus x log x is equal to c will be the solution. Okay. So don't do this complicated problem, such type of the complicated. But you should know this. Okay, so solution of the complementary equation, suppose y prime plus tan x y is equal to cos x. This is the linear differential equation. This is the linear differential. We want a solution of the general solution of the complementary equation. So your complementary equation is what? Tan y is equal to 0. Tan y is equal to 0. Tan x into y is equal to 0. So you have to shift y here and dx here. So this is what? 1 by y dy plus tan x dx is equal to 0. Now integrate this. 1 by y, this is what? Log y. Integration of tan x is what? Log of sec x is equal to c1. So we can write this is what? Y sec x is equal to, I will write this is log c1 then. Okay, so log c1. Okay, so okay, this will be then log c1, log c I can write. So this will what then? This is what? Log y plus log sec x means log of, this is log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is log ab. So y sec x. So log a cancel in our language. Okay, so y sec x is equal to this. So this may write sec x means what? Y is equal to c cos x also. We can write this one y is equal to c cos x also. This is the general solution of the complementary equation of this equation. Okay. Okay, so we have to find the solution of the complementary equation. Twice x 1 plus x square y is equal to e raised to minus x upon 1 plus x square. Okay, so now you have to assume this is 0. We have to assume this is 0. Then you can shift y to this side. Okay, so this is 1 by y dy twice x upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to 0. And just integrate this. This is what then? Log y plus. So what is the derivative of this? Denominator is at the numerator. If the derivative of the denominator is at the numerator, then integration is the log of the denominator. Okay. So log of 1 plus x square is equal to, I will take log of c, because both are log. Okay, all are log. So I will take constant and log c. Then what? This is the product. Y is equal to 1 plus x square is equal to c. So y is equal to c upon 1 plus x square. This will be your solution. Okay. Very simple problems will be there. Okay. Suppose you want the complementary solution of this one. Okay. A general solution of the complementary equation. So what we have to assume this is 0. You have to assume for complementary this assume 0. Then you have to shift y here. So 1 by y dy plus twice x dx is equal to 0. So what is this? Log y plus this is what? Just x square. Integration of twice x is x square is equal to c, suppose. Then y is equal to what? C e raised to minus x square, because you have to shift this. Log y is equal to what? This is what? Log y is equal to c minus x square. Then y is equal to, this log y is equal to. Okay, so you have to assume actually this is c1. Okay, this is what? E raised to c1 is c. This is e raised to c. Y is equal to c e raised to minus x square will be the general solution of the complementary equation. Okay, now suppose we have to solve this. Okay, so y prime upon 1 plus y square is equal to x. Okay, so y prime is dy by x. So this is a function of y. So 1 plus y square dy is equal to x dx now. Okay, so integration of 1 upon 1 plus y square is what? Tan inverse of y is equal to x square by 2 plus c. This is the solution. This is okay. So this is very simple. Okay, so y prime is equal to minus x upon y. Now y prime is what? Dy by x. So y prime shift easily here. So dy is equal to minus x dx. Okay, so y square by 2 is equal to minus x square by 2. I can write plus c by 2. Arbitrary constant as this. Okay, so this is what then? X square plus y square is equal to c. X square plus y square is equal to c. Okay, so constant you can manage. Okay, implicit solution of you want the implicit solution of this 5y raised to 1. Okay, so just say they are saying that non-linear something like this solution. Just look at the differential equation. Whether it is variable separable form. Variable separable form is what you can collect the function of y and dy. You can collect the function of x and dx. Okay, so that will call a variable separable. Okay, so whatever they call implicit function or implicit or something like this, non-homogeneous something, non-linear something like this. If they are saying that, don't bother about this. Just you have to solve the difference. Just your target is what? Just solve the differential equation. Okay, so 101% that will be the variable separable form. Okay, so you have to solve this variable separable. This is what 5y square. I have to shift. This is what 5y raised to power 1 dy is equal to twice x plus 1 dx. Just you have to integrate this. So this is what 5. This is what y raised to 5 plus y is equal to x square plus x, and add c anywhere. Okay, but just choose your option. You have to choose your option. That means just check where your c is there. Okay, so you should have this one y raised to 4 plus y is minus x square minus x minus c is equal to 0, something like this, or x square plus x plus minus y raised to 4 minus y plus c is there. Okay, so you have to choose the correct option from this one. Okay, now suppose this is your equation 3x square plus twice x plus 1 upon y minus 2. Okay, suppose this is what non-linear. This is non-linear because what there is a product of y and y prime. There is a product. If you shift here y minus y prime, this is also not linear. This is also not linear. But this is variable separable form. Just I write this is what y minus 2 dy is equal to 3x square plus twice x plus 1 dx. And just integrate this. This is what then y square minus 2 minus twice y plus x cube plus x square plus x, and add c anywhere. You are free to add anywhere. You can add in the LHS, you can add RHS, whatever it is. Just you have to choose the option. So to where in which option? So you have to look at the option. You may multiply by this y. Okay. So this is what y square minus 4y twice x cube plus twice x square plus twice x. Whatever there will not be twice c, but twice c will be considered as c. Okay. So take the care of that also. Okay. Now suppose you have this equation xy prime plus y is equal to 0. Xy prime plus y is equal to 0. Okay. And suppose this initial condition is given y1 is equal to 3. So what? Don't do anything now. Just check your core option. So put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. Which equation satisfy this x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3? That will be your solution. That will be your solution. But if you want to solve this, okay. So if you want to solve this is y now here. Okay. So x, this is what dy by dx is equal to, I will write minus y. Okay. I can shift this y here and x there. So this is what then 1 by y dy is equal to minus 1 by x dx. Okay. So this is what then log y is equal to minus log x plus I will write this is log c. Log c. If you shift this, it is here. So this is what then xy is equal to c. So your solution is what xy is equal to c. Okay. But if y is there, then this is what then y is there. This is what xy is equal to 3. Xy is equal to 3. So see here, your solution is what? Put x is equal to 1 here and y is equal to 3 here. Your value of c is what? 3. So this is your particular solution. Then xy is equal to 3. Now here option will be what? Xy is equal to 3. X plus y is equal to suppose xy is equal to suppose 5 suppose. So x plus xy is equal to 3 by 7 suppose, like this. Okay. So which value satisfy x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3? It satisfy. This is not satisfy. This is not satisfy. Okay. So this will be your solution then. Okay. No need to solve this differential equation with the help of this one. But if there are two options are there, they satisfy this condition, then you have to solve the equation. Okay. Otherwise, you don't have to solve the differential equation if such type of the condition is there. First try for which satisfy. If there are two options which satisfy this equation, then you have to solve the differential equation and do some part of the differential equation. Don't solve all the differential equation. Some part will be there now. Common part will be there. See your solution and the option. So that will be your solution. Okay. So y prime plus 3x square y is equal to 0 suppose. So what is there then? So this is what y prime is equal to minus 3x square y. Just shift y here. So 1 by y dy is equal to minus 3x square dx. So this is what then? Log y is equal to what is this? Minus x cube plus c. Then if you write in the y is what then? C raised to minus x square minus x cube. This will be your solution. General solution of this differential equation. I hope that you understand all the things. Okay, such type of the problem may be there, Okay, suppose this is what dy by dx 1 half x 1 minus y square, 1 half 1 minus y square. Okay, so now this you can shift, this is what 1 upon 1 minus y square dy is equal to 1 half x dx. Okay, so this is what then? Log of 1 minus 1 plus y upon 1 minus y. Okay, integration of this is 1 minus. Okay, this is what is x square by 4, x square by 4, x square by 4 plus c. This is 1 half, 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. Okay, so formula for this 1 by 2 log of 1 plus y upon 1 minus y. Okay, okay, suppose we have to solve this. Y prime is equal to twice x y square. So what we have to do, this y square shift, we have to do y square dy is equal to twice x dx. So y square means y minus 2 minus 2. Okay, so y minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 integration, we have to add 1 here. So this is what x square plus c. Okay, so this is minus 1, so minus 1 by y x square plus c. This is your solution. This is your solution. Okay, sin x sin y sin y plus cos y prime is equal to 0. Sin x sin y plus cos y. Okay, so how you can write this is what? This is a function of y and this is a function of x. Okay, so I just shift here. This is what? Cos y prime is equal to minus sin x sin y. Just I will write this. Okay, so this is a function of y, no problem for this. Function of y is there. Okay, is it function of y or I made mistake? Yes, this is a function of y, no problem. So I shift sin y to this side. Okay, so this is what? Cos y sin y dy minus sin x dx. Okay, so now this is integration of this is what? Integration of this is what? The derivative of sin y is at the numerator. So this is log of sin y. Log of sin y is equal to minus become plus cos x now. Integration of sin is minus cos. Okay, so minus minus become plus. So plus c. Okay, so this will be your solution. This will be your solution. Okay, so remember this. Y prime is equal to x square into 1 plus y square, suppose. What is this? Just shift you can this 1 plus y square here. Dy is equal to x square dx. So this is what? Tan inverse of x. This is x cube by 3 plus c. Or tan inverse of y now. This is tan inverse of y. Okay. So if you don't want this what? Y is equal to what then? Tan of x cube by 3 plus c also we can write. There may be the option tan of this. Okay. Suppose y prime. Okay, I have almost solved all the problems. Okay, just do such type of the simple problem. I hope that you understand this one. Just apply whatever the differential equation is there. Just apply the variable separable form. Okay, and find your solution. They may call this is non-linear, some implicit function, a complementary function. You have to take the right part as a zero. Okay, and you have to solve the differential equation like this. Okay, so you get one of the solution from the option. Okay, I hope that you understand this one. Okay, this chapter. Okay, so do more examples on this. So do the examples from the exercise. Okay, so we'll stop here. Thank you.